Imagine living your entire life inside a space smaller than your bathroom. In America, some people actually do this, and today you'll see how. Welcome to a world you've never imagined. In a small town in the United States, some people live their entire lives in tiny 20-square-foot houses. Today, we'll explore this unusual lifestyle and understand why they choose it. A tiny house is extremely small, usually only 20 square feet. Inside, there is just enough room for a bed, a chair, and a tiny kitchen corner. Every item must have a purpose. Welcome to a world you've never imagined. In a small town in the United States, some people live their entire lives in tiny 20-square-foot houses. Today, we'll explore this unusual lifestyle and understand why they choose it. Living in 20 square feet is not easy. There's little privacy, limited space for guests, and organizing belongings is challenging. Yet many residents feel happier and freer than in a large home. Inside a tiny house, ingenuity is everywhere. Foldable furniture, hidden compartments, multi-purpose items. A bed might double as a sofa. Every inch of space is used efficiently. A day in a tiny house is simple and structured. Mornings start with making the bed and preparing a small meal. Residents often spend time outdoors gardening, working, or enjoying nature. Though the houses are small, the community is close-knit. Residents share tips, organize small gatherings, and support each other. Friendship and collaboration thrive. Tiny houses are eco-friendly. Less energy is used for heating and cooling, and many residents use solar panels or composting toilets. This lifestyle reduces their carbon footprint. Meet Sarah and Mark, tiny house residents. They say that living small makes life simpler, more creative, and happier. They value experiences over possessions. Some people think tiny houses are uncomfortable or only for the homeless, but these residents choose this lifestyle for its benefits. Tiny houses redefine what a home really means. Tiny houses are a global trend. In Japan, capsule homes are popular. In Europe, small, eco-friendly homes are emerging. The movement shows the shift towards simpler living worldwide. Living in a 20-square-foot house may seem extreme, but for many, it is liberating. It teaches simplicity, creativity, and sustainability. Happiness is not about space, but about life quality. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more unusual stories from around the world. High-resolution, realistic text overlay, bright and clear style, consistent with all scenes.